Snoop Dogg is set to DJ at Brooklyn Beckham's star-studded wedding to Nicola Peltz later this year. The rapper, who is good friends with his dad David, is also planning on organizing a raucous stag do in Las Vegas for the 22-year-old. Brooklyn and Nicola will say "I do" on April 9 on the sprawling Florida estate of 27-year-old actress billionaire Dad Nelson. Speaking about his part in the big day, Snoop told the Sunday Mirror, "David has been my boy for over 10 years now and I am tight with his family. Brooklyn's wedding is going to be a big affair and my gift to him and his wife-to-be is I will come down and do a set for them on their big day. Nothing is going to get the party started after the first dance like a set from Snoop. The dance floor is gonna be on fire." Speaking about the stag do, he added, "Now I am not down for getting him in trouble before he is married, but if Brooklyn wants a bachelor party, nobody knows Vegas like Snoop. I will speak with David to see if we can do one big night, and like always, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas." The lavish wedding will see Brooklyn's brothers Romeo, 19, and Cruz, 16, will act as best men, while Nicola's ice hockey-playing brother Brad has been appointed chief bridesmaid. Guests include Victoria's Secret model Gigi Hadid, Nicole Richie and Gordon and Tana Ramsey. But Elton John, Brooklyn's godfather, will be on tour. Former England captain Bex, 46, is expected to act as master of ceremonies and is likely to say a few words in honor of his son, whom he affectionately calls Buster. Vogue favorite Annie Leibovitz could well be tasked with taking the photos on the big day, something keen photographer Brooklyn is likely to be keeping an eager eye on. 2 private security firms, one dedicated to each family, will be employed to keep any intruders or over-keen well-wishers at bay. Guests will be asked not to take photographs and all social media will be banned.